What happens when people lose direction, when they follow what is false, and forget the voice of God? What happens when truth is replaced, and the voice that once guided them becomes distant? Zechariah chapter 10 gives a powerful answer, an answer that speaks not only to the past, but even to today. When they follow what is false, they begin to trust in things that cannot guide them, things that appear strong, but have no truth in them. They start looking for answers in what has no life, searching for meaning in things that cannot respond, hoping to find direction where there is none. They begin to believe in voices that carry no truth, voices that promise much, but lead nowhere, drawing them further away from what is right. And slowly, without even realizing it, they begin to lose their way, step by step, drifting further from the truth. What once seemed harmless begins to shape their thinking until confusion replaces clarity. And in the end, they are left empty, searching, but never finding. Like sheep without a shepherd, scattered, vulnerable, and without direction, moving without knowing where they were going. Wandering from place to place, searching for something to hold on to, but finding no real guidance. But God saw their condition, He saw their confusion, and He did not ignore it. He was not silent before their suffering. He was not distant from their struggle. He was present and aware. His anger rose against the false shepherds, those who had led His people astray, those who had failed to guide them. Because His people mattered to Him, their lives were not meaningless, and their condition did not go unnoticed. But God did not leave them scattered. He did not abandon them in their confusion, and He did not forget His people. He promised to gather them again, to bring them back from every place they had been driven, and to restore what had been lost. Even from distant lands, even from places they thought they would never return from, God would bring them back. He would strengthen them, giving them the ability to stand again and to walk with purpose. No longer weak, no longer lost, but restored and renewed. And they would walk again in His name, not in confusion, but in confidence and direction. What was broken would not remain broken forever, because God restores. When people lose direction, it does not happen all at once. It happens slowly, over time. One wrong step, one wrong voice, one small compromise, until what once felt clear becomes uncertain, and truth becomes harder to recognize. And often, people do not realize how far they have gone, until they feel completely lost. But the message of Zechariah 10 reminds us that being lost is not the end, because God still restores. No matter how far someone has gone, the call to return still remains. This message is not only about the past, it speaks to today, to the choices people still make. Even now, many still search for direction, still listening to different voices, trying to find what is true. Some follow what is popular, others follow what feels right, but not everything leads to truth. And just like before, it is possible to drift without even realizing it. But the call to return still remains. The voice of God still speaks and still leads. The question is not whether God speaks. The question is, are we listening? This message is not only about the past, it speaks to today, to the choices people still make. Looking for answers in many different places. But not every voice leads to truth. The same God still calls His people back. And this message is still speaking today. The question is, who are you listening to?